has argued that deviance is not a quality of the act a person commits, but rather a consequence of application by others of rules and sanctions to an offender? Merton, Becker, Lamert, or Goffman? Again, a definition oriented question. Again, reiterating the fact that it is important for you to create keyword oriented notes and you have to revise them again and again so that you can answer the questions. The correct answer to this is Becker. The next question is, there are two statements that are given to us and then we have to identify if both the statements are correct, if both the statements are incorrect, or if either one of the statements is correct and the other one is incorrect. Statement 1 is that culture is that complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, arts, morals, law, custom, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. Statement 2 is only with the help of new technology we can produce culture. The correct answer is statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Whenever there are extremes given in any statement, usually that statement stands incorrect. The prevalence of the concept of only in statement 2 makes the question, makes that statement incorrect, right? Technology is one of the factors through which we can produce culture. Again, to answer statement-based question, you have to be very thorough with the concept, with your understanding of the concept. That is when you will be able to apply those concepts and answer the question. Let's move on. Enlightenment, with a combination of secularization, rationalization, democratization, individualism, and the rise of scientific thinking, are characteristics of modernity, traditionality, postmodernity, or pre-modernity. The answer to this question is modernity. Again, you need to know what are the characteristics of modernity, then only you will be able to answer this question, or you also have to think logically. There are times when you won't be able to understand or know the fact of the question, but through your analysis and through your understanding of the components of the syllabus, you might be able to derive that answer, right? The next question is, which one of the following is not a part of quantitative data? This is a very easy question. The answer to this is case study data because that is the form of qualitative data. The next question is, which one of the following is not a source of secondary data? Again, a very easy question to which the answer is interview because it is a form of primary data as the interviewee or the researcher has to go to people to interview them and collect the data. The book Methods in Social Research is written by, again a book and author oriented question. The answer to this is Good and Hart, right? Next question. The Dowry Prohibition Act was introduced in 1961, 1963, 1968 or 1969. The correct answer is 1961. These are very fact-based questions which you won't be able to answer through your understanding of the concept, but you need to know these questions. This is how you will be able to understand that CUET-PG has a mixed set of questions. They're not solely factual, but they're also not solely analytical and derivable, right? Again, you will have to study about dowry and other problems that women face and the acts associated with those particular issues, and then only you will be able to know what is the year when such an act was introduced. The next question is, who among the following is a tribe? The answer is Khasi, because other three are the festivals, right? 73rd Amendment was introduced in the year 1992, 2002, 1982 or 1979. The correct answer is 1992. Next question. Community Development Program was introduced in India in the year 1959, 1957, 1956 or 1952. The answer is 1952. You are able to understand that there are a lot of questions which are very factually based, which are coming from the policies side of the question in 2022 question paper. When we will go and analyze 2023 question paper, you will be able to understand that more questions are being asked from the concepts rather than the facts such as these, right? So you will have to prepare everything that your syllabus has given. The point is you will have to understand and figure out what are the important topics from where the questions are being asked, and that is also why previous year question papers are very, very important to analyze. The next question is LPG in terms of development is liberalization, privatization, globalization, language pertinent groups, liquefied petroleum gas, or least populated groups. The correct answer is liberalization, privatization, and globalization.